Prepare to enter the treacherous world of the 10 deadliest fish known to man. In these murky depths, danger lurks at every turn as we unveil the lethal predators that rule the waters. Join us on a journey fraught with peril as we explore the chilling realm of the world's deadliest fish. Number 1, stonefish. The stonefish is the most lethal fish globally, possessing a significant capacity to inflict harm. Stonefish are typically 14 to 20 inches long and are equally wide due to their wide pectoral fins. They inhabit tropical waters such as the Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Red Sea, and Great Barrier Reef. Stonefish have a rough skin texture and spine-like fins that are venomous enough to kill an adult in under an hour, making them the most poisonous fish in the world. These creatures are ambush predators that feed on the ocean floor, where they blend in with rocks and sand thanks to their crusty skin. This camouflage is what gives them their name. Stonefish release venom through their sharp dorsal spines to defend themselves against threats from above when resting on the seafloor. Anti-venom is accessible, but prompt administration is crucial as paralysis and death can ensue swiftly. Contrary to popular belief, their venom is not used for hunting, but solely as a means of protection. Stonefish rely on their strong jaws to capture and devour prey, such as reef fish and small invertebrates. Sharks, rays, and large sea snakes are the only natural predators of stonefish. Number 2, lionfish. Lionfish, originally from the Pacific Ocean but now found in many other oceans, are highly venomous fish, known for their vibrant colors and spiky fin rays that contain venom. They typically grow to about 18 inches in length and prey on small fish and invertebrates by swallowing them whole. They use jets of water to confuse prey before striking. Moray eels and sharks are among the few predators of lionfish. Though their stings can cause severe pain, vomiting, and difficulty breathing, they are usually not fatal to adults, but can be more dangerous to children, the elderly, or individuals with allergies. Number 3, Wells catfish. Wells catfish are large freshwater fish that can grow up to an impressive 16 feet in length. They are commonly found in lakes and rivers in Europe and are easily identified by their wide, flat heads and large mouths. Wells catfish have a varied diet that includes worms, insects, fish, rodents, frogs, and birds. Their mouths are lined with rows of small yet very sharp teeth, and there have been many accounts of these formidable fish attacking and even killing individuals, typically fishermen or unsuspecting swimmers. Number 4, candiru. Candiru, a small yet lethal fish measuring around 1 inch in length, is a creature to steer clear of. These parasitic freshwater catfish are native to the Amazon basin and are tricky to detect due to their see-through bodies. They have a voracious appetite for blood, and their tiny bodies can expand after a meal. While they typically reside in the gills of larger fish, there have been cases where they have entered the human urethra. Once inside, they are challenging to extract because of the spines on their gills. Candiru nourishes on blood and mucous membranes, and lays eggs in the bladder, leading to death unless promptly removed. Number 5, Goliath tigerfish. The Goliath tigerfish is considered the most dangerous fish in Africa, inhabiting the Congo River basin. These predatory freshwater fish have a reputation for being incredibly fierce, with large teeth that resemble those of a piranha. They are known to attack humans, posing a threat to unsuspecting swimmers. With the capability of reaching up to 130 pounds, Goliath tigerfish have teeth that are around 1 inch long and are constantly replaced if lost or broken. Number 6, moray eel. Despite their likeness to snakes, moray eels are actually fish and pose a significant danger. With approximately 200 species worldwide, these creatures can be found in both saltwater and freshwater environments. Moray eels can grow to be up to 5 feet long and lack pectoral fins, which can lead them to be mistaken for snakes. Their diet consists mainly of squid, octopus, crustaceans, and other fish. These predators typically hide in rocky crevices and have been known to attack divers who disturb them with their lightning-fast reflexes. Moray eels have strong, sharp teeth that are angled backward to prevent prey from escaping, causing extremely painful bites that can result in heavy bleeding. Their slime and mouth contain a toxin that destroys red blood cells, explaining the seriousness of their bites. Number 7. Boxfish. Boxfish are quite similar to pufferfish, although they are not as dangerous. Their size varies between 10 and 24 inches, depending on the species, and they typically inhabit rocky and coral reefs in the Indian, Pacific, and Atlantic Oceans. They are recognizable by their box-shaped bodies and honeycomb patterns on their skin. Boxfish primarily feed on algae, worms, and small fish, and they possess a remarkable defense mechanism to protect themselves from predators. They secrete a toxin called ostracytoxin through their skin into the water around them, which is toxic to nearby creatures. This toxin can be particularly harmful to humans, as it destroys red blood cells. Additionally, some species of boxfish are poisonous if consumed raw. As a result, most people choose to avoid eating them altogether due to their resemblance to pufferfish. Number 8. Pufferfish. The pufferfish is considered one of the most hazardous fish globally. With over 120 species, they can vary in size from 1 inch to over 2 feet. Pufferfish can be found in tropical and subtropical waters and inflate into a ball when feeling threatened or disturbed, earning them their name. Their large spines are only noticeable when they puff up. Despite their intimidating appearance, pufferfish also possess the deadly toxin tetrodotoxin, which is significantly more lethal than cyanide. This potent poison is found in various parts of the pufferfish's body, and just touching them can be hazardous. In fact, a single pufferfish contains enough toxin to kill 30 grown adults. Alarmingly, there is currently no known antidote for tetrodotoxin. Pufferfish, known as fugu in Japan, is a delicacy that requires chefs to undergo strict training and obtain a special license before they can serve it. Any mistake in preparation could be fatal, as even a small amount of poison from the fish can lead to paralysis and death, with the victim remaining conscious until the end. Diners who choose to eat fugu are taking a significant risk. Number 9. Great white shark. The great white shark is a well-known and deadly species of shark, responsible for the highest number of unprovoked attacks. It has around 300 teeth and an estimated bite force of 18,000 newtons, making it a formidable predator. On average, great whites have a length of 15 feet, but some individuals, like the famous shark Deep Blue, can exceed 20 feet in length and weigh up to 5,000 pounds. These sharks have an excellent sense of smell and can detect blood from a distance of 1/4 mile. They are found in coastal waters of most major oceans and prey on fish, whales, dolphins, sea turtles, and seals. Several scientists think that great white sharks do not purposefully target humans in attacks, but rather are conducting a test bite out of curiosity. This occurs when they casually approach a person, typically a surfer, and take a bite to determine if they are prey. This behavior is distinct from when they actively hunt and swiftly attack their prey from below with a powerful bite. Unfortunately, even a simple taste test can result in a fatal outcome for humans. Number 10. Oceanic whitetip shark. Oceanic whitetips can be found in tropical oceans worldwide and are easily identified by the white tips on their fins. While other sharks, such as the great white tiger and bull sharks, are known for more recorded human attacks, the oceanic whitetip is thought to be responsible for the most deaths. This is because they often target survivors of shipwrecks and plane crashes. Oceanic whitetips gained notoriety for attacking survivors of the USS Indianapolis sinking during World War II. The ship was torpedoed by a Japanese submarine on July 30th, 1945, leaving around 890 crew members adrift at sea for 4 days before rescue. Sadly, only 316 individuals survived, with 150 of them reportedly falling victim to oceanic whitetip sharks, marking it as the deadliest shark attack in history. These sharks are also believed to have caused significant casualties when the RMS Nova Scotia sunk in 1942.